More than anything, I wish I could stop worrying about calories and food. I wish I could just eat, enjoy it, and know it wouldn't affect my weight. Or most importantly, how I feel about myself. But starting in my teenage years, the fear of gaining weight and how it might change the way my loved ones see me has never really left. For over 15 years, my weight has stayed the same. People have always considered me fit and slim. But the thoughts about food, what I'm eating, how much, whether it's too much, used to follow me everywhere. Maybe that's why I decided to become a nutritionist. I wanted to figure out how to make food take up less space in my mind and my worries. Today, I'm making pumpkin brownies. I absolutely love desserts, and I've realized that when you prepare them the right way, you can enjoy them every single day. They're not just harmless, they can actually be good for you. You'll find the recipe and step-by-step instructions in the description below. I hope you too can let go of the fear and allow yourself to enjoy food with joy and freedom. With care, your nutritionist, Karina.